Okay, you think you can focus on me? Okay, because I want you to focus on me, not back there. I'm talking to the camera. I have been having a hard time with this camera focusing, and I have no idea what in the heck is going on. Okay, hi, I'm Antoinette. I'm leader of Team Faith's Fairies and Maëlle Professional Influencer 2. Influencer 2, and I'm so excited to have you here. Yeah, I just learned that I'm promoted again, and I'm like so excited. But anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is it's Sunday strategies. It's Sunday strategies where you learn from me my tips and strategies on how I elevate and grow my business, and hopefully it will help you. So let's get to today's strategy. Today's strategy is all about time management, which I think is kind of funny that I'm talking about this since today has kind of ran away from me. All right, so what are Pomodoros? Pomodoros are like so amazing. First of all, they're tomatoes. Yeah, I didn't get it either, but it's increments of time that you spend focusing and then having your brain relax. So the way Pomodoros go is you do them in sessions. You take 25 minutes of focusing on something. And I'm not talking about the focusing like, oh, I'm going to read. Oh, I got to go to the bathroom. Oh, let me go read again. Yeah, I need to get a cup of water. Let me read. No, it's laser focus. Laser focus. So when I say laser focus, it means if you went to the bathroom, you would have to do your Pomodoro all over again. Yeah, that stinks. It took me so long to figure that out. But it's a series of steps. So you do the 25 minutes of focusing on your one key area, and then you take a 5-minute break. You do that 3 times, 25 minutes, 5-minute break. And then the 4th time you do it, you get a 15-minute break. Hallelujah. Hopefully you're done with your Pomodoro by then. But if not, you are able to just jump back into it. Now, I happen to like to do a couple of different Pomodoros. What is Pomodoro? It's different goals. So my goal may be clean my office. My goal may be research for new video material. It may be calling with clients on the phone and following up. Whatever my focus is, I take 25 minutes to focus on nothing on that, and then 5 minutes of rest. And do it until it is done, or until I have said for myself that I'm not going to do it anymore. And sometimes I like to mix them up. So I'll do 25 minutes of doing this and then 25 minutes of doing that. But I always take the 5-minute rest and always focus. I wasn't able to focus like that for a very long time. You see, I think I have attention deficit disorder, but my daughter really, she says that I claim I have a lot of other things too. I don't know. You know how kids are. Anyway, I had to train my brain to focus on something for 25 minutes solid. And this has been the measure of my success. It has been the thing that makes me different from other people that I know that excel in their goals. I have to do it this way. Otherwise, my brain, it gets lost, and I am like, squirrel. Anyway, practice 25 minutes at a time at focusing things. And if you are a business entrepreneur and not in direct sales and think that this doesn't apply to you, you're absolutely wrong. This is like one of the key elements of project management, is knowing how to spend your time and knowing exactly what to focus on. If you don't know what to focus on, your first Pomodoro should be spending 25 minutes of writing nothing but the things that need to happen in your life. That is all the things in your head. on a piece of paper so you can dump it. Some people call that a mind dump. It is so detoxifying, and it is essential if you really want to know what matters to you. So I want to know, was this helpful to you? What kinds of time management tools do you use? Feel free to comment below, and I'll also share the link to Pomodoros, how to learn all about how to implement them, and where you can find some pretty awesome Pomodoro applications. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe so you can never miss a Sunday strategy with me. Don't forget, you are perfect just the way you are, so just keep on being you.